Hello guys, today we're unboxing a hairdryer. This is the Dyson Supersonic hairdryer. This is one of the most expensive hairdryers out there. This is a very difficult word, hairdryer. Yeah, and you may be wondering why a man with no hair is unboxing a hairdryer. Actually, this is not for me, this is for my wife. She is having a birthday today and this is my gift to her. So let's go and unbox this beast. So first we'll look at the attachments. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 attachments, each for different things. I'm not a hair specialist and I don't know what they are for, but probably my wife knows. I know that this one, the flyaway attachment, it's a lot of hype for it. It makes your hair shiny and looks very stylish with special technology. All of this hair dryer of this product is about technology. The motor is integrated inside the brush handle here, and this is we have a huge hole here, and yeah. But let's dive inside and see what's all the fuss about this hair dryer. Where we should start unboxing? Maybe. Yep. Am I holding it right for the camera? Oh, it's really nice. The nice packaging goes up, slides up, and we are left with this cardboard box. We have nice cut out of the product. Very designy, very techy. I don't know if this is supposed to be for women or for some tech nerds like me, but I'm really hyped about this product. And another sliding, and it reveals the product. Here inside this box we have some cutouts for the product to lay nice and firm, and then we have the product itself. It's a bit dusty maybe from this cardboard, but it has nice padding here to protect it, nice buttons for on and off. And I don't know what this button is for. Let's remove this box here. What is this? Yep, we have the power cable here. Let's lay it down. This is the power cable of the device. The power cable actually is really nice material, very soft. It has something like a label here, and it resembles the way Apple cables are put with this cardboard thingy, but this cable is really nice and it matches the color of the product. The product has this purplish pinkish color. I don't know what this color is. Do you know what this color is? No. No, she doesn't know either. And inside we have like that, and like that, and like that, and the cable itself is very long. I don't know, maybe it's 2 meters. I'm 170 and this is more than 170, and yeah, but yeah, this is the cable, this is the product. We can remove this filter here to clean the filter. One downside of this product is that I broke it. No, I didn't broke it. One downside of this product is that when you brush your hair, you have to be careful not to catch it from this side, because this obstructs the air flowing, so you have to use your hand like that. But it's a nice fat handle, and the product is really compact. We'll compare it with another more conventional hair dryer. So back to the box, and we pull this thing and we go to find the attachment. Actually, the box is pretty heavy. The product is heavy, but not overwhelmingly heavy, and this is like a puzzle here that I'm trying to solve, unboxing these attachments, I don't know how to do it properly. I don't want to damage the box in case we have to return this very nice product, but I don't think we'll be returning this one. Maybe we will if it breaks, I don't know, but I don't want to say that. So yeah, we remove that, and we remove that, and we pull that out, and yep, this is rather big attachment. I've seen this on other things, and the attachments are here magnetically, so you just put them and they snap, and apparently they don't fall, even this heavy one. And next we have the airbrush. I don't know what this is used for. My wife is excited, maybe she knows, but she won't tell me. It's not my job to know these things. I know about other things. And in this final little box we have another set of attachments. There is a leaflet here signed by Mr. Dyson. I don't know what the first name is. James Dyson. Yeah, sorry, James. Sorry, Mr. Sir. I think he is a Sir James Dyson, so he had a lot of contributions. I don't know what this is for, and I don't know what others are for. Yeah, this is the hyped attachment, the fly away attachment that you're supposedly to brush your hair if you have. Imagine that I'm having a hair, and it makes your hair shiny and new, but we'll test it on my wife after a minute. And these are really easy to remove. Finally, we have the white comb attachment that is really easy to use. Just put it like that, and you can brush your head with it. So let's try it without any attachment. We'll see the power. These are the buttons for the unit. We can turn it on and off, and we have two buttons here. This is for the power of the stream, and this one is for the power of the hot air, how hot the air is. And with the hot air, you shouldn't worry, because the hair dryer measures the temperatures of the air 1000 times every second or so, and it adjusts to prevent burning your hair and damaging your hairs. So yeah, this is in short. You can see them, they have LED indicators. We can slow down, we can turn it off, the hot air. And the thing that I noticed, that it starts blowing hot air at the early when you just turn it on. It's very sudden. Let's turn it on and you have hot air. Let's turn it off and you have cold air. It's really fast. So yeah, and this is, I don't know what this is. We have to read in the manual. So this is the cold blow button. If you become too hot, or if you want a cold stream of air, you just press this and it turns off, overrides this switch for the hot air, and brushes with cold air. Let's see what's the power of this. You can see these are flying away. It's very powerful. You can see my hair blowing in the wind. You can imagine it. Oh, it's very hot. We can compare this old hair styler or hair dryer that my wife has since she was 18. And this is the new one that we just got. This one is from 2024 technology, and this one is the old one. It's pretty beaten up, but it still works, which is amazing. But yeah, we're replacing this one with this one. How is it? You don't see it. Let's try the other attachment.
Which one?
This one, the flyaway.
Okay.
Just to see what happens. Nothing will. It will not break your hair. Don't worry.
How to use it?
I don't know. We have to read the manual, but you just put it close to your hair like that. Yeah, like that. Yep. This is the flyaway attachment. It will make your hair shiny. It's supposed to make your hair shiny. I don't know if it can be used to straighten your hair. Maybe it is. But yeah. Let's try this one. This is for straight hair, right? This is for straight hair. And this is very strong. You can reduce the strength with this button here. Yo, I am a hair model. What?
And what? This is for what?
I don't know. This is just for to be like that. Yeah. You will read in the manual. Wow, what a hair! The wind is blowing so fast. And now we will try it on my hair. Stay tuned. This will be the funniest part. Hello! We will be testing the Dyson Hairdryer, Supersonic Hairdryer, just in a minute. Oh, it's very... but why it's cold? Oh, you turned it off. I want a hot air. Oh, it's very strong. Oh, it's very dry. I feel my hair being very dry now. In my beard. Yeah, it's a nice product. We'll be using it, especially for me. And if you like this video, please go to my channel, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and peace. See you.